I'm LaToya. I am a wife, a mom, a sonographer, and I have lost over 40 pounds. I am literally just a normal person with a busy schedule, and I feel excited to share this with other people who might feel like they don't know where to start. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my 5 tips that I think are most helpful if you are starting your weight loss journey. So the first thing I would say is to find an app that works for you. You're going to want to track the food that you're eating. What I ended up doing was figuring out my calorie deficit, and then I ended up using the Noom app because that's what worked for me. It was easy for me to track, and I had a couple of friends who had already started, but whatever is going to help you hold yourself accountable for tracking your calories. Number 2, do not overcomplicate things. I cannot stress this enough. You're going to want to start simple. So I started adding in 20-minute walks. I decided to start simplifying my meals, creating simpler grocery lists. Grab a new water bottle. You'd be surprised how this makes you feel excited to start hydrating. You don't need to sign up for the craziest gym memberships or workout classes or any of that. Number 3, let's talk about simplifying meals. I feel like I have always been someone who just enjoys food. I love the experience. I love all the side dishes. So I had to find a way to simplify. So what I started doing was keeping things available to me to be able to grab lean proteins, Greek yogurts, eggs, healthier snacks to grab and go so that I wasn't stopping all the time and getting higher processed foods. Sheet pan dinners, that's one of my major ones. And you know what? Like I said, I have a family, so it doesn't always mean that they love what I put on the sheet pan dinner. You know, they might want to add French fries or something. They might want to add garlic bread, and that's fine. I would just pass on all of those extras, but the main dish I would try to keep simple. Prepping for my workday the night before has been huge because I am someone who loves to order takeout. So if I have everything ready to go to throw in my bag in the morning, then I don't feel stressed out and I don't feel like I have to order takeout. Do I need a Starbucks daily when I'm running my errands? Yes, I do. But I had to find ways that I could cut back on some of the sugar and the toppings and things like that. It doesn't mean you have to cut out. You just have to scale it back a little bit. Number 4, find accountability partners. My girlfriends who joined Noom before me, we got ourselves into a separate group chat. We talked every single day. This is going to be a journey that has highs and lows. Sometimes you feel like you just need to vent to somebody, but also you feel like you need people who celebrate all of the things. So having accountability partners was a huge thing for me. Feeling like I could share the ins and outs, ask the stupid questions, feel like I just had someone to bounce ideas off of, meals off of, is a huge help. Number 5, progress over perfection. I cannot stress this enough, especially when you're feeling like you're stuck. You have to think about how far you've come. You have to celebrate the non-scale victories, being able to fit into an outfit that you couldn't fit into before, buying yourself a new outfit that you feel like you look amazing in. Be proud and share your journey with other people. A lot of people who felt like they could resonate with me were reaching out to me, asking tips and tricks, and it felt really good to share my journey, just being realistic and honest about what I had done just through diet and exercise, but also giving someone else the motivation to do that was very fulfilling for me. This journey is going to be something of your own, so try not to compare yourself to other people. I know that's easier said than done, but stay on track with your reason why you started this. Celebrate along the way as often as possible, and also give yourself a little pat on the back for even jumping into this and doing it. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey.